So welcome back, guys. Let's quickly create this birthday flyer on our Android smartphone using our Pixellab. So if you have a friend or you are a graphic designer or you are part of my follow, I think you need to watch this so that you know how to quickly create very simple birthday flyer to do kind of a shout out to your loved ones, your client, or even to yourself. You can use any picture to create this. Very simple and straightforward. So I'm going to use an application called Pixellab as usual. Then I will go and select the background. But before that, you need to think of the size you want to use. So the size I want to use is 1029 by 1028. So then you can just change the background by uploading the picture of yourself, or I use the actual resize of this background, which is 828 by 1029. So after getting that, then the next thing I'm going to actually do is select the image I want to use. So this is the image anyway. So I think it has a lot of saturation, so I can decide to make it this way, or I maintain, but I want to reduce it a bit to -5, or I make it to be just a bit -3. So I will have the whole design being locked. Then I will go into having an overlay where I can put my written text. So I will position this here. Then I want to put it as a coin. So I will position that there. So I have a written lock. Then I will go into the text area and put a name called V. Then you look for a kind of a better font. So let me show us. The name of that font is called Satin. Zathin. Satin Zandy. Sandy. So we need to increase the size to suit our text. So take it for instance, if I want to actually paste it, I will use the size of that. Then I want everything to show. I will go to padding and allow all the text to show. You can reduce the size a bit. So I'll position it here. After that has been done, then the next thing I need to do is to I want to just change the color base to, let's say, red, pure red. Then I will go to the shadow, apply the shadow to best of my satisfaction. You can draw this one down. Then the blur radius increase, enable the outer glow, and you give it the kind of size you want. After that, I will copy this, then have the color being changed to white. Then position this just to make sure the one red is showing to look like 3D. That is the essence. So after that, you see, boom, we are having this, and you might decide to just reduce the shadow you have and the upper part very well so that it can be placed properly. After that has been done, you go to the shape, crop the shape very well like this, and you have its position just as perfect as this. So after that has been done, you can increase it. Just position by screwing it up a bit. Then you change the color entirely to red. Now we go to text area and we have what we call an happy birthday. Now go to the font area, then select a font called Poppins Bold. You will see all the font at the description of this video. We are back fully. So after that, you position that here. You can see where position it here. After that has been done, you can now provide some kind of illusions. It depends, okay? So now put the text area here. And God, may God bless you and increase you greatly. Okay, don't go full stop. Now we are going to use the same font, popping, but it will be regular, not bold. Now I'm going to reduce the size very well. May God bless you greatly. So I'm positioning that here. The space in between the text is too long, so I will position it to make it perfect. Now, boom, we're good to go, right? So now the next thing I want us to do is to have a kind of, I want to apply pigment to it, but just a bit to see how it look. So if this is not perfect, don't worry. So I'm going to save the whole work. We are done with it. And if you check the time, it's under 6 minutes since we know what we wanted to do. So after that has been done, I will go to where I'm going to, this is the main stuff. So we'll call it, I use the photo editor. Call it the photo editor. That is the polish. So I want to polish this design. So this is the area where I want you to learn. So after I position it here, I will go to effect, go to light effect. So I will scroll. We have a varieties of overlay light effect here, which I can just adjust. If I select this, you see it give it a different kind of a look. Even if this is what I actually select, I can just reduce the size a bit. You can see. So it depends, but I'm not actually up to that. And if I want to use this, it will just give it a kind of a beauty that will make the whole work stand out. If I want to use this or this, it actually depends. But that is not exactly where I'm going. So, and when you look at this, I can just reduce the size bit. So if I position that here, it can make the whole design look in different way. But that is not where we're going. We're going to the level where I'm going to applying a kind of overlay schedule that will wow the whole stuff. So take for instance, if I apply this or this, you see, or apply this. So it changed the whole perspective of your design. We can even make people argue that this is not actually done on phone. So you can use this or you use this, but me I prefer this. So now we'll reduce it a little bit. So after that has been done, I'll just tap OK. Now this time around, I'm going to enhancer. I will type on enhance. I'll wait for it to load. It automatically enhance the whole design and give me best look. So let's keep watching. It won't take much time. So instead of me to be editing using one application, using another one for a kind of garnishing my own design, I prefer using this because it has a lot of features that can actually help me achieve the desired design I actually want. And when you look at it and look at this, look at from here to here, you can see and you can apply the HD. It depends, okay? So you can apply the ultra. If you apply the ultra, it will actually even giving you more than this. So another thing is you can go to adjust. This adjustment, this is the area where you are going to remove some that you don't actually want. Take it for instance, if I have a red here, I want to level the red. So I will just, you see, so if I want the whole stuff, so it has a way, you see, I will level up the strength of the uh, red color, and it actually give me what I want. So removing this, position this, it will give me exactly what I want. So which other one I can still level? None. So I will tap OK. Now this time around, I'll go to sharpen the whole design to make it blush. Okay, so you can zoom out for you to be able to see what you are doing. Okay, so I don't want it to be too much, so I guess 17 is okay, or I make it 15 or 16. So saturation, I don't need a shadow. I can apply a little shadow. Okay, so let's see -1, 2. I need ignite just a bit. This time around, I need to zoom back for me to be able to see. And I think this is better than Pixellab. So I'll go to calf. I need this red. I want to deal with red. Just apply a bit. Tap OK. Now the grain, do I need a little bit of it? So let's see like this. So we can view to see it's not actually appear and affecting the whole design. We tap OK. Now when you look at the whole design, everything seems to be cool, right? Now we tap OK. So and boom, everything is seems to be done. So thanks for watching, guys. If you are my subscriber, please don't forget to share this to many people outside there for them to be able to know how to create this kind of a flyer to wow their friends, family, loved ones. And if you are a client, if you are a designer as well, keep watching, guys. I have a lot of stuff like this in stock, which I'm going to unveil to you. We are back and better. Thanks for watching once again. God bless you.